Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today, along with Dory's Dollies, our channel is offering the challenge Black Cats for Dolls Gone Goth. Dolls Gone Goth is Dory and I host every month on the 16th, and we give themes on the 9th of the month. Thank you, Dory. This is a cute one. Before you look at my girl and think, well, why is she in Halloween, or why does she look like Beetlejuice? She doesn't. This is a Thanksgiving outfit with a throwback to the movie 1993 Family Values. Pugsley wore a swimming suit that was black and white striped. And after all the shenanigans at the camp, well, she might need prison stripes. So this is my little black cats, or these are my little black cats. Darren just printed these. When I say just, this one was actually warm off the printer. We took the Neo-sized cats and brought the size down for middies. And then these are different. They have a Siamese, you probably can't see them because they're black and it's hard to see, but they have more of a Siamese looking look to them. And their tails are straight out, and Siamese cats do that. They sit with their tails just long, you know, just sitting like this. We had a black boy, kitty, that was mostly Siamese, but he went to my son and daughter-in-law and lived a very happy life with them. And I love black cats. We have two now that are completely black, and they are such hunters. We love those kitties. We live on a farm. We have barn cats. Thank you for watching. I hope if you participate, you will leave a note in my comment section letting me know you too have a video today. The hashtags quit working a while ago, and they just haven't fixed them. Thank you so much for participating, for watching, and for leaving your likes, comments, and subscribing to my channel. Thank you, Dory.
See, now I say that's a perfect Thanksgiving feast print. It's slimming.
There you go.
There.